What's going on, everybody? My name is Miko. Welcome to Just Flippin', and today this is your bolo of the day number 5. This one is part of the electronic category. Some of you guys might think, wow, how is this not obsolete? But I can promise you that is far from the truth. This is still used every day. Some people actually prefer using this item in certain situations or circumstances in their life. This isn't an item that will fly off the shelves at an alarming pace, but it's an item that you know will sell and something that you can find cheap. That's the key of the bolos, things you can find cheap and that can flip high. So enough of the yapping, here is your bolo of the day is home phones. Or wireless handsets, or wired handsets. Whatever it is you want to call these suckers, these things surprisingly sell. And I've sold a few sets, actually not sets. I usually piece these out. I'll sell these by themselves. I'll sell this unit by itself. And then I'll sell each individual phone by itself. And usually it seems like I can get more profit that way instead of selling the units as a complete set. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's just because some people will pay a little bit of a premium to pay for a replacement for their current set instead of simply replacing the whole thing. Either way, they don't sell extremely quick. As with most things, if you have one that's really sought after, it'll sell quicker than most. But typically, there'll be a little bit of a wait time on these sales, but you could command $20, $30, $40, $50. Maybe even more on some sets. Do not sleep on these. People probably think these are obsolete, but that is far from the case. People still enjoy using these, and they can net you some nice profit if you're selling online. Home phones, guys, keep an eye out for these on your hunts, and make sure to pick them up when you can. My name is Miko. This is Bolo of the Day number 5, and I hope you guys have a good one.